Hook, it's 11:45 p.m. You're 3 stations away from your hotel, and you just realized the last train leaves in 10 minutes. But you're still at that izakaya in Shibuya, and there's no way you're making it. Don't panic. This happens to literally everyone who visits Japan. Here's exactly what to do when you miss that last train. Step-by-step guide. Check if you actually missed it. Pull up Google Maps or Hyperdia app right now. Some lines run until midnight or later on weekends. The JR Yamanote line runs until around 12:30 a.m., so you might still have options. Find the nearest manga cafe, Manga Kisa. Search Manga Chicha on Google Maps. Popular chains are Kaikatsu Club, Comic Buster, or Manbu. A night pack, 10 p.m. to 10 a.m., costs Y1500, 2500, 10 to 17. You get a private booth, unlimited drinks, and Wi-Fi. Some have showers for an extra Y200 to 300. Book a capsule hotel if available. Search Kapuseru Hoteru near your location. First cabin or capsule inn usually run Y3000, 4000, 2027 per night. Most stop accepting guests after 1 a.m., so call ahead if it's getting late. Last resort, 24-hour karaoke. Karaoke Can, Big Echo, or Karaoke no Tetsujin offer night packs for Y1800, 2800, 1219. You get a private room, can order food until 3 a.m., and some locations have basic amenities. Not the most comfortable sleep, but you'll survive. Don't even think about taxis for long distances. A taxi from Shibuya to Tokyo Station costs around Y2000 to 3000, 13 to 20. But to somewhere like Shinjuku or further, you're looking at Y5000 to 15,000, 33,100 plus. Only worth it if you're splitting with others or going somewhere really close. Set multiple alarms for first train. Trains usually start around 5 a.m. Download the JR East app or use Hyperdia to check exact times. Give yourself 30 minutes to get ready and walk to the station. Japanese phrases you need. Jungdien wa nanji desu ka? Shuden wa nanji desu ka? Ask station staff when the last train is Iwanbo maremasu ka? Hitoban tomaremasen ka? Can I stay for one night? At hotels or manga cafes maid daijoubu desu ka? Asa maid daijoubu desu ka? Is it okay until morning? For karaoke manga cafes, jinku ni kapuseru hoteru wa arimasu ka? Chikaku ni kapuseru hoteru wa arimasu ka? Is there a capsule hotel nearby? One thing tourists get wrong. They waste precious time wandering around looking for a normal hotel. Regular business hotels rarely have availability after 11 p.m., and even if they do, you'll pay Y15,000 plus for a last-minute room. Your best bet is always manga cafes or capsule hotels. They're designed exactly for this situation. Japanese salary people use them all the time. Quick summary. Check if you actually missed the last train first. Manga cafes are your cheapest, most reliable option. Waibasun Dao 500, 2,500. Capsule hotels, if you want more comfort. Y3000, 4000. 24-hour karaoke as backup. Y1800 to 2800. Avoid long taxi rides unless you're splitting costs.